How to change location in Zomato. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location in Zomato. In order to do so, first of all, open your Zomato application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you will be able to see the location. If you'd like to change it instantly, then simply tap on the location at the top left and then here search for the location. Once you search for it, you'll be able to see the search results below. Here, select the correct location and then you will see you have successfully changed the location. Now, if you want to update your saved address, then first of all in this page, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll a bit down until you locate this address book under food orders section. Once you locate it, tap on the option and inside it here you will be able to locate your saved or existing address. Now in order to edit it, you just simply need to tap on this three dots icon just below the location and then tap on this edit from this menu. Now you can make changes based on your preference. You may also tap on the search bar at the top and select the exact location. Or you may also tap on this use current location option to autofill it. And after entering or updating the address, now tap on this add more address details at the very bottom and then here make the necessary changes. Once after doing that, tap on this confirm address button at the very bottom. After that, in this pop-up, again tap on this save address button. By doing so, you will be able to edit or change your location in Zomato. If the changes doesn't reflect immediately, you can also restart the application to ensure the changes. So by following these steps, you should be able to change location in Zomato. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.